Hey guys, Mike with ELECTRIK here. So this customer today, let me show you the situation. They have that camera over there for their like Ring doorbell, but it's not facing the front street, so it's facing that way. Now they have purchased a Ring doorbell and they want to install it here. For the Ring doorbell, we need something between 8 to 12 volt power. So what I'm going to do, because there is no power source here, that's the only one and that's the only one, so we can't get into here unless we cut the wall. So we don't want to cut the wall, we want to go with minimal damage. I opened this home security system and it's working with low voltage, so I'm going to tap the power from back of this, shoot it outside, and connect this Ring doorbell. Stay tuned.